Hey, good morning. This is Dr. Ferg here at Thinking Well. And there are only three things that exist. Only three things exist in the entire cosmos. The first thing that exists is God, the infinite. And if you think about the infinite for a moment, that inside your head, the infinite, that is God's fingerprint on your mind. The other thing that exists is all of physical nature. All of physical nature is interconnected through cause and effect and is what we call community. It stretches from where you are all the way to the edges of the universe. It's all physical nature. And the third thing that exists is your soul or your subjectivity. It's everything else that's going on inside your mind, such as causality. These three things are the only things that exist. Think of anything at all, and that thing is going to be either a part of God and God's infinity, a part of physical nature, or it's going to be something swirling inside your soul, inside your mind. What philosophers look for are principles. We look for the simplest, most fundamental elements that are at the root of all being. And God, nature, world are the three fundamental things that are. If you like my content, if you want to learn more about philosophy, like this video, subscribe to my channel, but most important of all, leave a comment below. Ask me a philosophical question, and I will address your question here at Thinking Well with me, Dr. Ferg. Bye-bye.